Character illustration is my passion. Making my character drawings pop and come to life is my superpower. Welcome to my class. I'm Omni Amer, a character artist and illustrator. Drawing is amazing. I know that. We all want to learn it. But how to turn this drawing into this is something else. It's all about using the magic of digital painting to take your flat illustrations to a whole other level. In this fun, short class, I will teach you all the techniques I use every day in my work to pop like that. We'll start with a sketch, and you can use any sketch you want, or you can simply download mine and start applying right away. I'll show you how to make the color blocking with Adobe Illustrator and then how to export that in a tricky way to make it easy for you to start digital painting with Adobe Photoshop, all the way till we get to the final result. I hope you enjoy this class and hope you add a new skill to your skill set, so let's jump into the first lesson.